why not? Can I interview you real quick?
Yeah.
Why won't you go? Why are you laying in the street?
To stop the war.
Stopping traffic, will that stop the war?
Yes, it'll wake people up, make them pay attention. Make them pay attention. America is sleeping.
What else have you done to help stop the war?
Okay, my sisters put a banner over the Golden Gate Bridge, a 50-foot banner at 7 o'clock this morning.
No way.
Yes, they did. They're right here.
Who, these two?
No. Anyway, we did.
Yeah, I was just talking to the cops, and they're about to clear this out. So you're going to sit here till they drag you?
Oh, yeah. We're here to get arrested.
You're here to get arrested?
Yeah.
Now, is this an actual group of people who decided you're here to get arrested?
I'm with Code Pink, but all of us arrested. Oh, okay. School of America Watch is here. Unitarians are here. The Quakers are here. Father Louis is here.
I heard that.
And he just got out of jail.
And let's talk about Code Pink.
Code Pink. Let's talk about Code Pink.
Tell me what it is.
It is a woman-driven peacemaking force.
I could handle that. I could get behind that.
Yes, that's what we are.
Well, good luck today.
Thank you.
I hope they give you 3 squares. I'm with the UpTake, theuptake.org. Alright, so they're about to go shut these people down and get them off the street. Them being the SFPD and the people on the street being war protesters. Getting them off the street.
Violent thugs. You're nothing but thugs. Proud of yourselves for beating the crap out of people?
Everybody hit the sidewalk and you're going to jail. Let's go.
So this is where people are going today on the march?
These are like, yeah, these are targets. Protest that.
Are you joining all of it?
Yeah, as much as I can. I can't be everywhere, but hit them all, but... As much as I can. I was here and I was on Snake March. And,
yeah, so you did the march and you've been hanging out, but you're not going to be in the middle of this.
I don't know. Let's see how it goes.
All right.
Go with the flow, Sometimes you get arrested, sometimes you don't.
I hear that. So now they're starting the arrests and bringing them into the buses.
You weren't trying to get involved in it. Oh, they grabbed you in, Max. Woo! Woo! Let him go! He didn't do anything! Let him go! He didn't do anything! You dragged him in there! Let him go! You dragged him! It's outrageous! You dragged him! It's bullshit! Let him go! He didn't do anything! Let him go! 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 What the fuck? Bullshit! What the fuck are you doing? Bullshit! He didn't do anything! You dragged him in there! Trying to get to the sidewalk and you dragged him in! You dragged him in there to arrest him! He wasn't one of them! He was trying to get on the sidewalk and you dragged him in!
Waste of time! Waste of time!
Do you know him?
He's
my brother!
It's interesting because they do this and they fuck up, and then there's a hearing at City Hall, and the top brass admits that they fucked up. You'd think they'd learn after all these years.
You'd think, but you know, people get hot-headed. I mean, I'm not really down for any of it, you know.
They're supposed to be a professional police force. You know, they have the capability to have louder warnings than they gave.
And they did not have a loud warning because I was out there.
Yeah.
And I knew they were coming. I'd already talked to them, so I knew it was happening.
Yeah.
But they didn't like put on a bullhorn and say, "Leave now."
I knew it was coming, and I almost didn't get out of there.
Yeah, exactly.
He was trying to get to the sidewalk. They were Billy clubbing their way, and then he was trying to get in. He has a bike, and there's people before him. How can he go through queue? And you know, he can't go through Manor. And then they pull him out. They drag him out there, and then they start talking to him, and then they trip him. They put him on the ground. They drag
Get off
him.
the pole, or I'll come in there and arrest you. So get down from the pole.
All right, Steve. Finish this off. I gotta go. Where can we see your stuff?
On Flickr, I'll send you the link.
But your Tiger beat up Flickr.
No, actually, it's flickr.com/photos/ARI.
ARI.
Yeah.
Okay. So people can see photos of this because you take much better pictures of it than I'm shooting up this video.
Yeah, and I actually have a few iPhone photos up there already. But I mean, it's been 5 years of war. I was here 5 years ago, and hopefully we'll, have a real change in the fall and not be here 5 years from now.
We'll see.
Okay.
Thanks a lot.
Sure. Bye.